Hello everyone, today we're excited to introduce you to our 3 light bathroom light fixtures, featuring a stunning brushed nickel finish and clear glass shades that add an elegant touch to any space. This upgraded finish not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also includes a scratch and tarnish resistant coating, ensuring long-lasting beauty. Crafted with robust all-metal construction, these fixtures promise safety and durability, with sturdy metal holding rings that keep the glass shades securely in place. The heat-resistant E26 ceramic socket is designed to withstand prolonged bulb heat, making it a cost-effective and long-lasting lighting solution for your bathroom. With reversible mounting options, you can customize the lighting direction to suit your preferences, making it perfect for various locations like bathroom mirrors, living rooms, and hallways. Plus, we stand by the quality of our product with a 36-month warranty, ensuring peace of mind and support should you encounter any issues. For any questions or assistance, simply reach out to us through the Amazon message box, and we'll be happy to help within 24 hours. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.